In this video, I'm going to talk about local SEO and how you can use it for your business to drive a qualified leads without spending any money. Hey, what's up marketers? Eduard Dziak here from b2bdigitalmarketers.com, and I got a question for you. Have you ever searched something and used the word near me, open now, or where to buy? Well, then you are not alone. According to Google, local searches are increasing by 250% year over year since 2017. And though local searches are done by people who have high interest to buy in near future, over 76% of people who search on their smartphones for something nearby visit a business within a day, and 28% of searches for something nearby result in purchase. And we could carry on how local SEO is important for local businesses. But you probably already know that. And you also know that you actually need it for your business too. That's why you click on this video. Therefore, keep watching. So the strategy number one for local SEO is register for local directories and listings. Business directories do an outstanding job of putting your business right in front of your potential buyers. Therefore, they are super important for your local SEO, and especially they are for free. And there are plenty of directories you can register for. Some of them are more generic, some are more specific based on the location or industry. So I'll leave it up to you which is the best for you. But there are three most important listings every business should register for. The first one is Google My Business, where on average a local business has 1,260 views each month. The second is Bing Places for My Business, and even though Bing has a smaller share in the market, their listing still helps local SEO and can bring potential customers. And also, it is easy to set up. And the third and last is Yelp. Yelp appears in the top 5 searches result for 92% of Google web queries that include city and business category, according to Freshchalk. And all those listings are great to boost your local SEO without being too big commitment for yourself and your business, unlike a social media. The second and probably the most important strategy for your business is to optimize your content, such as landing pages, product pages, your main pages or contact pages with the keywords you are targeting for. As a local business, you probably having a client within a short distance of your business. Of course, each business has a different distance to target. For example, a small local coffee shop will target people within 1 to 3 kilometers in distance. So they will be using a keyword that reflects the location, which could be a street or certain location, such as a Mayfair in the central London. But as I said, it all depends on your targeted location. It can be just a few blocks in your city, can be the whole city, can be a region or the whole country. Wherever it is, you must include it within your website and also your directories, as it will help your potential customers and search engines to understand where you are actually working. Once a search engine will understand your targeted location, then it can send you a better leads, especially those ones who are using near me, where to buy, and etc. as those people are in high needs for your products and services. And also, one last thing, if you are a business not having a website but thinking about one, then you should consider about using a local domains such as .uk for United Kingdom or .us for states, depending in which country you are, as search engines can prioritize those for local searches rather than the generic one such as .com or .net. And the last strategy is social media. Social media is vital for local businesses to attract potential buyers and create more impactful word of mouth, where people who already experience your product and services can share it with their friends and families. As, according to Oberlo, 54% of people are researching products and services on social media, and 74% of consumers with positive experience are likely to recommend the brand to their friends and families. And it is not surprising that social media marketing is essential for local businesses because it can improve greatly a customer service experience. And one more thing which I want to include for social media for local businesses, and that is using a power of local influencers for your business to build your brand trust. One of the biggest reasons why people do not buy from you is because they do not trust your brand. And therefore, influencer marketing on social media, it's a great way to improve your brand trust, as 50% of consumers depend on influencer recommendation on social media. And that's why your social media is not just about posting, but to go further and beyond the traditional social media marketing and partner up with the local influencers and build your brand trust and start driving the most qualified leads for your business. Oh, haven't seen you there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel and like this video and leave a comment below what's your #1 strategy for local SEO.